Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a little jumping thing for little pet shops. Need this, the ketchup, something, and with a little cardboard circle. Yay! Glue gun. Okay. You're gonna like put a little bit of hot glue on there, down. Take this and you're gonna glue it on. You're gonna hold it. You're gonna wait. You're going cats behind me. If it's not going so fast, like hold it like this, and then voila. Let me get one of my pet shops. Doggy. Oh, I didn't throw it high enough. Like, I can't really do it right now because I'm with one hand, but I'm holding the other. Yay! But I knocked it over. Well, hope you like it. Any more questions? Just comment. Anything you want me to make? Comment. And subscribe. Yay!